To make a call, first press the Phone button on the steering wheel. The phone screen will appear on the center display. You may then select Vehicle Phone Book to select the name from an entry stored in the Vehicle Phone Book, Handset Phone Book to select the name from an entry stored in the Handset Phone Book, and Call History to select the name from the incoming or outgoing call history. You can also use voice recognition to make a phone call. Push the talk switch and say, "Phone." When prompted, say, "Handset Phone Book." Speak a name from your handset phone book after the tone. When speaking phone book names, please be aware some phones require the last name to be spoken before the first name. For example, Michael Smith may be spoken as Smith Michael. You can also enable one-step voice dialing by activating the alternate command mode in the voice recognition settings menu. To dial by phone number, push the talk switch and say, "Phone." Then wait for the tone and say, "Dial number." When prompted by the system, say the digits of the phone number you wish to call, starting with the area code. Alternately, you can group the numbers into 3 digits for the area code, 3 digits for the prefix, and then the last 4 digits. This is a helpful approach when the system has trouble recognizing the correct phone number. Infinity also offers a function called the Voice Recognition System that is designed to learn the specific sounds of your voice, making audio requests easier and more accurate. The Voice Recognition System can memorize the voices of up to 3 people. To begin training the system, press the Setting button on the control panel and select the Others key on the display screen. Select the Voice Recognition key. Select the Speaker Adaptation key. Select the user whose voice is to be memorized by the system. Next, select the Start Speaker Adaptation Learning key. Then, you'll need to select a category to be learned by the system from the following list: Phone commands, Navigation commands, Information commands, Audio commands, Help commands. The voice commands in the category are displayed. Select a voice command. The voice recognition system starts. Look for the voice icon with its mouth closed. You'll hear a tone, and the voice icon will change to one with its mouth open. Please repeat a command after the tone. The same command will be on the display screen as well. When the system has recognized the voice command, the voice of the user is learned. Now, press the back button to return to the previous screen. If the system has learned the command correctly, the voice command indicator on the screen turns on. During a call, you also have some options available to you. First, push the talk switch on the steering wheel. That will mute the receiving voice, and enter commands. Now, you'll be able to use the voice recognition function to hang up to finish the call, use handset to transfer the call to your cellular phone, mute to mute your voice to the person on the other end of the call, and keypad brings up a keypad so you can enter digits in situations such as entering your PIN number for voicemail.